We're going to turn these bananas into this delicious soft serve ice cream. It's so sweet just from the banana. Dairy-free, refined sugar-free. It's so good. We just need to get these in the freezer. I like to just throw them in one of these baggies. I like to do a lot at once because then I'll just have them at the ready to make banana ice cream or to use in smoothies. Make sure the bananas are nice and ripe. Yellow with some brown spots is really perfect. No green here. So then I just throw them in whole. And then the pups come and see what I'm all about because they love bananas. And I like to do a bunch of them at the same time. Takes no time. You can leave them like that, or this is what I like to do. Close it up. And then break them into pieces, just like that. Go and do that on each of them. It's just my technique, so your hands don't get dirty. And then what you want to do is spread them out some. I have somebody who loves bananas. That's a good popper. Just gonna pop this on a plate so they lay flat. So now I'm just gonna freeze these 5-6 hours. Usually I like to go at least overnight, and that gives us the best texture. So our bananas are frozen. Some of them have clumped together a little bit, but since we spread them out in there and made sure there was some space between them, they're gonna break apart really easily. Grab your food processor. We're gonna go ahead. We have the bananas that are in nice small size pieces, and we're just gonna pop them in here. Because I have a larger food processor, I do need more bananas. If you have a smaller food processor, the nice thing about that is you could do a smaller batch. You have to have enough so that the food processor can blend everything. If there's not enough stuff in there, it won't blend right. Yeah, they're nice bite-sized pieces here. We're going to make it easy for them to blend, and you can see how these just kind of break apart really. Some of them break apart more easily than others. Yeah, let's just do them all and I'll show you how it comes out. Okay, pulse a few times first, and now you're going to see how this magically becomes a soft serve style ice cream. The bananas break down a little bit first. They start to get into smaller pieces, almost looking like cauliflower rice. And now let's let it go. Okay, and you're gonna wanna stop and scrape down the sides quite a bit and push the bananas down into the blade. That, keep going. It does require a little patience. And again, pulse a little bit. Start to see how it is coming together. And you always get that ice cream consistency closer to the bottom first, and then it starts to go. You can start to see it coming together here. Now, again, let's press it down. This is where some people might add a splash of non-dairy milk or something, but I'm just going to keep going because I want to keep it as much ice cream as we can. You can see it's starting to get really smooth and soft servy there on the bottoms. The rest of the mixture is starting to work its way down towards the blades, and it's just going to take a minute or so, 5 minutes maybe if I'm being honest, to get it to all become ice cream. Oh, we're almost there. Pretty amazing. Again, stopping and getting everything closer down to the blade. You can see it's starting to look like ice cream. All right, let's keep going. It starts to form sort of this ball as it goes around, and it just keeps picking everything up, and then it eventually just smooths out. And now you have a nice creamy soft serve ice cream. Look at that. That's incredible. You can add other flavors as well. I like to use this pure vanilla powder. It works so nicely in this and in no-bake desserts. I'm not even going to measure it out. Whoops. That's pretty good. I'm going to pulse it a couple more times. So let me show you how this looks. And then Look at that. I've been making my black bean brownies lately, so let's plate it up with the brownie. So this is what we have going on here. Got some brownie in there, the ice cream. What are we even talking about here? And that vanilla in there is really nice. It's great. You can do the brownies as a topping, crumble them on top. It's so good. You could do it as a mix-in. Banana and ice cream is best enjoyed as a soft serve right after blending. I hope you try this plant-based vegan ice cream and enjoy it. Let me know what flavor variations you try. I came up with some good ones while making this video, and I will be sure to share them soon. Oh, and I'll link to the black bean brownie recipe here as well, along with some other healthier treats you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.